not kill him, I report.
Try cooking it.
I did. As we embark on our epic quest into the great unknown, it's vital to keep our energy levels up with some delicious grub. So, we're gonna halt our adventure for a moment and get to eating. Oh, maybe only you can pick up the can of meat though. I can't seem to pick it up. Right there. Oh, nice. Delicious. Look at this. Look at this one. They open the rib cage and shove the head in that one.
Oh, dude, there's like dead fish all over here. Is there fish out here?
Yeah, right. Let's see.
Oh, I'll pick up some.
Can't say I feel good about this. Can't say I feel good about this at all, but survival is survival. And I'm gonna survive.
Gonna kill him.
Be cool if we could trap some of these turtles and keep them for laying eggs only, you know?
Why don't we need to make a freaking fire? Oh, did you just eat my turtle meat, you fucking dick?
After eating all of my brother's food that he hunted and worked so hard for us, his stomach still grumbles in pain. He'll be okay. We set forth, with my spear crafted and ready to use, just in time for someone to show up to ruin our party. Let me show you how we get this done.
Oh, creeper. Creeper on the beach. Creeper on the beach.
There's nothing that makes me happy. Oh, hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket.
Oh, dude, that was awesome.
That's right, and let them all know I'll leave a cinder stoking in their forehead. I've had enough of these cannibal son of bitches, these gremlins. It's time to wage war on these. You know what? That's it, it's decided. That's one down, 150 more to go. It's time to wipe them. It's time to reclaim this land. Before that, we need to find a place that we can call home. So come with me, let's go find it.
To fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name. Oh, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss.
Oh shit.
Find what I'm good at.
Someone yell at us getting
I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? What? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub
Now. Yep, got a window. That's one more window out the back. That's beachfront view, man. You gotta pay for something like this out the front, just to be able to see.
You got your bed in there? I'm gonna save this real quick.
Yeah, go for it. Sticks. Need sticks, lots of sticks.
Here, give me that one. Kind of like taking up space.
Can we sleep? Let's sleep.
Yeah. Save and sleep.
Yeah, save and sleep. Jerry's still kicking. Your river over here. Can you drink out of it?
Yep. I'm like over here. Yeah. Supplies. Chilling.
Got myself a bow. Now I just need to make them arrows.
Standing planter. Fish trap. Wise water.
Well, no one ever said it was gonna be easy, but here we are. Our first outpost, the Devil's Backbone. I don't know if we're gonna call it that, but I thought that sounded good 'cause it's like right on the ridge, so we're gonna roll with that. Well, we were about to call this place home, and then some little gremlins had to go and show their face.
Get him.
You did. You're squirming. Oh shit, we got company. Major company. That dude again, yep. Let's go.
Behind you, behind you, behind you.
Yep, he's going after our boy.
You're out.
Gonna make some armor out your bones, out your bones. Get that single.
Here's something.
Yep, it's right here.
Jesus, man, where are they?
Whole family of them, they gotta be gone now. Did you pick up that chicken of the sea?
I didn't pick up any chicken to see. Whole or double?
I did doubles. I did people out the front though. Oh, that three-legged chick's here.
Oh, she's sexy.
He'll get you some of that.
She waved.
Hey, back. Shit, she can hang out. I ain't never been around a chick with 3 legs.
Oh, dude. Attack me from behind.
Right, should press try and choke you out, those things. Alright. We need to build some fish traps and shit.
Yeah, bird traps, fish traps, all that crap.
I'm ready to sleep.
Alright, now.
Let's go kill some turtles too. Well, would you look at that? Day 5, and we already have a routine. Every morning we go down to this river and go and get some water and fill up on everything we need. But today, instead of base building, we're gonna do something a little bit different. We're gonna go exploring. Let's go see what this island has to offer. Let's go bring our firepower to these little Kremlins. Oh yeah, right there, he's fast as... He's right here on the rock, dude. Turn around. Oh shit, he's trying to attack it. Oh shit!
Another one.
Yeah, they're fucking fast.
Oh, my armor.
I'm down.
Armor didn't last very long at all, man.
Nah, that bone armor didn't last for shit.
Kind of a waste. Waste of a lot of rope.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I picked up a skin pouch. What these assholes must have had around them.
Alright, well, we'll have to check it out later. I see something up here, you see that? It's like a tent or something. Or, yeah, it's a tent. Holy
that might have been
shit.
what we just walked up on, dude.
Well, now it's ours.
Alright, let's keep it the same.
Take what you want.
There's rope right here.
More rope. Skin pouch.
Yeah, nice.
Got one, got a bunch. To the left. Got cloth, got the cloth. Oh, no, they're all tied up and shit, actually, look. It's all tied up. Should we let it go?
What is it? Oh,
It's like a white thing.
The thing
Let's see,
is
hold on.
still a can full. Save it.
There we go. I'll let it go. Oh, no.
Bad idea.
Yep, bad idea.
See if we ever do that again.
They had your ass locked up for a reason, huh?
Oh, look, I can cut them up.
Oh, yeah. What'd you take?
Creepy armor. What?
Oh,
What
shit.
the hell was that? What was that? Is that thing? Dog-looking thing? Yeah, we head up this hill.
I say we go to that purple thing.
This way?
Yeah, straight ahead, yeah.
You gotta pay attention, like time of day.
Yeah, it's 10:50 in the morning.
Yeah, I just, stuck out in the dark.
Oh, shit, dude. What are those guys? Crouch. They're all walking. We should follow them.
Just cannibals.
Nah, they're like red. They're like redheads.
There's some cannibals.
Oh, well, yeah, they're gonna eat us for sure.
Yeah, but there's like 3 different factions.
Yeah, that's a different one. These ones are moving, though. That's interesting. I'm gonna stay crouched. Oh! That's not good.
Are they fighting?
No, they're right here next to us. The little creepy ones are that we've been dealing with
Yeah,
there.
but there's one by them too, so I'm trying to figure out if they're together or not.
just followed us, yeah. Little ones are here. Oh, got the red ones on us, bro. Got the red ones on us. Red bitch.
We gotta get an open area, dude.
Alright, yeah.
So we can see.
Maybe keep some
Oh, he's
distance.
coming right behind you.
Oh, yeah.
Big fat guy.
It's not like, oh, got more of them right here. God dang it.
Red guy. My health is too low.
Get the gun out. Get the gun out.
I don't have. What do I do with it?
Well, we learned a valuable lesson on this encounter. We thought we were stalking them. Really, we were the ones being stalked. But we still happened to prevail in this fight. So, we wanted to take it to them. They took it to us. This is one of the closer encounters that we had. But we survived. Come out alive. Left to aim, left to shoot. Almost dead on. Just get moving.
Go down to the water so I can grab. Whoa! Where is it?
I don't know. Can't see the bastard. There it is. It's coming. It's running at us. There it is, right there behind that tree. Right here.
Yep. Makes a lot of noise for just being a little bitch.
Alright, let's go.
Go down to the water.
You want the water?
Yeah. Head in that direction, please. And try to like eat some berries or something, see if I can get some health back.
Got two guys down here. Two guys to our right.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those people, I think we
So I know I said I was going to eradicate every single last one of these Kremlins on this Mother Earth, but you need to know when to pick your battles. A real soldier knows when to pick his battles.
gotta keep going upper.
All right. Let's go. If you got bottles of pills, you can get it back up. Here, Jesus.
Yeah, I was looking across. That's what I was looking at.
There's 3 grapes here, though.
Oh, wow.
Oh, we can dig these up.
Oh, there's another people bug.
Yeah, I seen them.
Oh, there's a lot. Probably need to build a shovel.
Cave. Now you ready?
Oh, we're going in
Yeah.
We don't have torch or nothing. Half health.
Grab it. Where at? Oh, you went down to the place where we no return, bro.
Kind of where it's at.
Guess it's just the air tank. Guess we had to take this zip line up here, huh? Just don't have the zip line tool. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? Come out of the cave.
What the hell is that? Are they dead?
Those are dead soldiers, bro. What the?
And there's cloth right here. Something else.
What the hell?
Dude, look at all this material.
Damn, they're stuck through like pigs.
This guy had a slingshot on him.
Oh yeah, that might come in handy for a small game. Alrighty.
Oh, this is creepy.
Alright, that blip is straight ahead. Another cave, huh? Say what?
Stay behind me. Guys, like, three little people to the right. Whoa, you hear the beeping?
Nope.
You can't hear the GPS going nuts?
I don't know. Let me see. Oh, now I do. Maybe on top of that hill.
Is this one of the people that we need to find, maybe? Oh, dude.
Oh, okay. Well, found him. First, they put dead soldiers out of the caves we exit. Then, they go and hang our commander. Huh. Well, you son of a bitch has got a war coming.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this,